Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to Momda's Live Fanmade. Today I'm participating in Summer Tier 3 Challenge hosted by Carol from My Blessed Nest. You will find link to her channel and playlist in the description box of this video. If you are new here, I love doing lots and lots of DIYs and using them in my home. I have them in my spring, summer and other seasonal DIY playlist as well as in DIY and decor playlist. I love doing everything related to home within budget. If you love such content, please do subscribe to my channel and also do hit that little notification bell. Here you saw the little display of all the items that I am going to use in my lemon themed summer tier tray decor today. Here is my summer tier tray in a lemon theme with greens and yellows and whites. I think this is cute. I made my effort in decorating it. I hope you will like it. Let me share the details with you. There are some DIYs always in my decor and you will find these DIYs in different videos in my DIY and decor playlist, some with the summer DIYs and some with the spring DIYs, and these are pretty inexpensive ones. One can easily replicate them. So please check out those playlists for these DIYs if you want to make them. To begin with, first let's talk about the tier tray. This is basically a tier tray, two-tier tray over a Lazy Susan. I recently did a DIY where I changed it into a Lazy Susan with a detachable base. Here is a different detachable base that I made for this, and I really find it very useful. But I always wanted to keep the option open so that I can use it as a tier tray like today. So on my first level, I have this little garland in white, green and wooden neutral color beads. I like these colors. These are very soothing, great for summers. I use them even in the spring. These lemons that you see here, these are from my garden, from my lemon tree, and I really like them. The lemon tree gives me fruits twice in the year, and I love making different kind of pickles and using it for salads and sharing it with friends. So I brought them here instead of using anything fake. These are real lemons, and to bring the color of green and yellow, as I said, for summers I really like to bring in green. Even you should check my summer kitchen vignette, which is also in white and green. So going with the same theme here, I have lots of greens here. So on my first level of the tier tray, here I have started with the roses in yellows and whites because it's in yellow and white with nice green leaves here. So I have tucked that in the first level. Here are 2 cups. This is basically a green teacup set. I have a full set. So I have a milk pot on the top level, and I use the sugar pot in my kitchen vignette. The tea pot as such is very big, cannot use it. Here on the back side I even have the sugar pot, and I also have a green candle at the back side. And here is for the pop of color of yellow, I have this yellow cup. It's bright and happy and makes things really cheerful around it. So this is what comprises of my first level. Going on to the second level of this tray, I have here a fun, this is another DIY over a little rolling pin with a green ribbon on it, and this is a beautiful fabric with lemons on it, yellow, green and lots of green shades, yellows over a off-white or a cream base, and it looks really cute. I brought it here to look like a tea towel. Then I have this little dish. It's you can open it and put things inside. This is ceramic made by local potters, and I generally use this to put pickles in it so that I can keep it near the dining table area so that it can be used easily. It has got beautiful flower patterns over it. These are beautiful local pottery work. At the back side again, I have tucked in another branch of yellow and white roses with green leaves. And here is the milk pot, and I've added a few colorful spoons in there to bring in that pop of color. To bring another tier, another level to this, so that I get this pyramid kind of shape for the tier tray record, this pyramid shape. Otherwise this was kind of a block if I just did 2 tier. So I wanted 3 tiers so that I could get this pyramid look. So I just took a glass here. It's a glass for cold drinks and all that. It's got this shape as that of a wine glass, and over it I have this ceramic bowl. It's in sunny yellow and has got these pretty flowers on them, tulips kind of flowers, and a bright red rim over it. I placed it such that the flowers are visible as well as the yellow is very clearly visible, because this red will balance with the spoons out there. So therefore I have placed it in this direction, facing us this way. In it, this is a little doily, and the edges are pretty lace work in green and white, and I somehow like this crimply lace on the edge of this doily, so I have tucked it in such that the edges just come out as if hanging out like those hanging plants that you have in your home, because I don't have any such fake ones, so I decided to do with this doily. Another lemon from my garden, another fake plant in a white pot here. Here is a little tea towel in this beautiful green color with embroidery work on it. Again, a bit of orange to go with the rest of the reds and oranges here. This is another single red rose peeking in. So this is how my 3 levels are here, and this all is lying or sitting over this beautiful doily again. And this is also made by my mother, and the edge is really pretty. And here is another DIY of mine, a little cheese board. It's a fake cheese board with lavender decor over it, and it's so pretty. And here is an eat sign. I think they all together look very nice. I'm really happy with this decor. What do you think about this decor? Do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for stopping by, for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another DIY video. And until then, be creative, be positive, and be happy.